Hi, my name is Venkatesh. I'm the Senior Business Architect for Data and Artificial Intelligence at SBA Info Solutions. We are a technology company based out of Chennai specializing in ensuring data-driven enterprises create exceptional customer and employee experience through trusted governed artificial intelligence, leveraging the watsonX platform. For our demo today, we're going to look at conversational AI assistant for customer care. And I have a fictitious bank, SBA Bank is an innovative bank based out of Chennai. Customer experience was a steep challenge for them. Their customers expected unprecedented levels of service, but they didn't meet their expectations. And customers were very vocal. They shared their bad experiences, and their call center agents were spending a lot of time on mundane tasks. And to combat this human-led contact center way, they initially evaluated chatbots for digital self-service, but still 40 to 50% of their calls ended up with the call center because with digital self-service of chatbots, users mentioned that they were mostly confused. They got very, very redundant content, and that the chatbot didn't listen to feedback, forcing the users down the wrong path. So, in searching for the ideal self-service solution, SBA Bank, what if they could take the best live agent, make them available 24/7 across all the touch points? So that is what they have done. They have enabled conversational AI via watsonX assistant. Okay, so immediately as a user, I'm greeted with suggestions of the common actions performed by other users. This web chat is completely customizable. The greeting message, the UI, UX, the color theme, where the graphics is positioned. And with suggestions for these actions, the bank can help their customers get to a particular action or a goal very, very fast. Let me start with something vague and a typo as well, maybe. Allow. See, the true difference here is for customers, they need scalable, accessible AI. That means it should be able to talk, write, and converse just like humans. Here we typed in something vague, but in response, watsonX assistant asked for clarification. But I didn't set up this particular workflow. So Watson Assistant comes with such powerful out-of-the-box AI capabilities because it wants to know more information from the customer to give contextual answers specific to him. So we don't necessarily have to select from these rule-based options like most chatbots. So Mona, the conversational assistant leveraging watsonX, isn't rigid or rules-based. It is conversational, so it learns by itself, handles complex inputs from your users, and this reflects what it deflects more and more calls from your agent, saving you valuable time and money. Now I'm going to refresh my browser page. This chat experience is unified across multiple channels. Let's say the user refreshed his browser page, unfortunately. However, when he reloads, all this conversation history is still present across all the pages, across all the channels. So there is no fear of missing out all these conversations. The assistant maintains conversations, and they can navigate different pages, browsing for different pieces of information, filling out forms, and so on. So they are more inclined to use this particular chatbot or a conversational assistant as a trusted tool and not as something fearful of. Conversational AI isn't the only type of artificial intelligence. We can have intelligent document processing, where virtual assistant provides answers for which it has been trained on, where you centralize and ingest all types of data sources to Watson Discovery. Here, you can also leverage auto learning because the assistant learns from the user's interaction, where let's say you've typed in loan application, the assistant learns over time who might acquire for a loan application and what conversational route should we intend for it to go through. Compared to traditional chatbots, these are the accessible and scalable artificial intelligence which are provided out of the box with frictionless experience. So what is the value? Short time to value. It all comes down off the box, low cost of ownership, and better performance and customer service metrics. Finally, just like with humans, we can change the conversation topic, right? You don't have to get stuck into that rabbit hole. Okay, so what's the maximum loan amount I can avail? Maximum loan amount you can borrow depends on your salary bracket, existing credit score, and the nature of your home loan. See, as such, if it was a traditional chatbot, you would have been expected to answer this, but the assistant is able to intelligently change conversation topics. But that is not all. Retrieval augmented generation, which is a transformative technology in generative AI, that is an AI model grounded on a knowledge source of your choice. It could be website, it could be PDF, it could be Excel, it could be any data source. All right. So typically these use cases, you needed to have multiple instances, a generative AI studio through watsonX.a, but Watson Assistant isn't currently beta feature for you to have conversational search and retrieval augmented generation all inside the form. So why not just show it to you, right? Okay. So I have ingested a couple of RBI documents, and the SBA loan policy, right? So let me type in underwriting and approval. I'm trying to understand the policies that SBA has on this particular topic. See, as you can see, this is the AI model trying to understand. Yeah. So underwriting and approval refer to the process of evaluating and assessing SBA loan applications and so on. This includes factors such as equity injection, and this also comes with explainability as to where it has gotten that particular source, right? Okay. So customer service guidelines, RBI. Master Circular on Customer Service provides guidelines. See, so as such, this provides you a powerful conversational search capability, not just for your customers, but also across all your domain experts in marketing, sales, compliance, regulation, and so on, where you have huge data set, but provided in a context and conversational search through a Watson assistant. Without having to periodically train your AI on website content, data content, we can simply crawl them, have weekly schedules to train them, right? But once again, with Mono or watsonX assistant, there is a lot more that the assistant can do in terms of automating several actions, extensions with RPA and so on. But I will be taking you through that through the next couple of 2 or 3 videos. So thanks for joining. If you want to have a demo for this particular platform or build conversational AI assistants for your enterprises across all functions, modernize your customer care or call center, feel free to reach out to us at SBA Info Solutions. So thank you for joining.